KGW News Channel 8.
Invigorating, maddening.
Interesting, fun, and exciting.
Colorful, fast-paced, and
Fascinating.
Wow.
It says it proves a Portland stereotype truth. Which was producing lightning. I am happy to report, unless you want to see a lightning show, but the lightning has
3, 2. It's an epidemic that has grabbed the nation's attention again, courtesy of a violent rape out of Stanford University. But advocates here...
We have so many stories to cover in our region. And when you come to work, you never know what stories you're going to be covering. We all collaborate and talk about story ideas. So every day is very different because the stories are different every day. Things happen in our community that we cover for our audiences. And we never know when we come to work what stories we're going to be covering, what stories we're going to be challenging each other about how to cover them, when to cover them, or whether to cover them or not. So every day is very different. So I run the newsroom day to day. We do 7 hours of news every day, and I'm responsible for all those hours of content and the whole newsroom.
We're kind of like the middle of, and everything kind of comes through us and goes out. So we answer the telephone, we answer all the emails, we keep track of Twitter, and it's fun to be like the first person to find out, or right on the front lines of finding that out. It's kind of exciting. And when I go other places and people know what I do, they'll say, "What's news? What's news? I haven't looked at my phone. I haven't read the paper. What's news?" So they want to know too. It's kind of cute. So that's fun. That's a good thing.
My favorite part of my job is the people. I think the co-workers, people who work in journalism and newsrooms, are often very interesting, likable people. They're people with different backgrounds, different opinions, often very outspoken, very unique, very diverse. I like that a lot. I think working with collaborative people makes me want to innovate and do more things and try to create new things and be exciting and try things. So definitely the people is the best part of this job for me.
I love communicating, which is a big part of it. I love writing, and I love staying on top of current events, things that are happening. I feel like I have a front row seat to history.
I've been here for 26 years, and I've been in the news business for 31 years. We don't often cover the big, huge things that affect the entire country, but we do stories on the local things and local people's lives and businesses and what's going right and what's not going right, and issues that people care about. But most of the time, while they do care about it, they're busy at work, living their lives. And so our job is to go out, find out what's going on, see if we can get as many good people to talk about it as possible, and then tell them, the people who are working, tell them about it as soon as we can. I find that to be pretty precious.
From Portland, Oregon to Kazakhstan, hello, and come join us and visit us sometime.